Alright guys, got the tractor tires off for the summer, and I got some 14-inch wide rims for these 15.5-inch tires. Looks a lot better than the old 10-inch wide rims. They are fuel 20-inch by 14. I get a pretty good stance. Got the 6-inch suspension, 3-inch body. Added a couple more LED lights. Got one up there. Got these bad boys hooked up back here finally. Still has the supercharged 5.4 out of the wrecked Lightning I bought. 30,000 miles. Post any questions.